Hello everyone, guys. So today I'm here at Stanborough Park, Stanborough Lakes. If you are familiar with the area in Welland, you might be familiar with this beautiful park. And as you know, that autumn is right around the corner, and we have some beautiful sceneries out there. I thought I will just go out and paint. So I have toned this canvas beforehand, and now I'm just starting to sketch out the scenery that I thought would be an interesting subject for my oil painting. So I'm just roughly sketching out everything where I want to be, where I want it to be on the canvas. So there is a lake in front of me, and I have these beautiful trees on my right side that I think will look good in my composition. And there will be a couple of trees on the left side also, and there are trees in the background also. And in the foreground, I think I'm going to add these men who are fishing here. I'm adding these trees in the background. You can see I've already put the left trees on the left. I'm not sure how I'm going to manage this. This is my very first time doing a proper plein air painting, oil painting. I have done urban sketches. If you guys are familiar with my content, you must have seen my watercolor paintings, but I haven't done oil paintings, like proper oil paintings. So I'm really nervous. People are coming and having a peek on my painting, and that makes me even more nervous. But it's also nice. People are really kind. I was thinking I used to be very nervous about the idea of painting outside, because I thought everyone would be judging me and looking at my bad paintings. But I have realized, because I have been out like many times now, I think most people are really nice, and I get compliments, and I get encouraged when I paint outside. So guys, back to the painting. The very bad angle of the camera, you can't see much of the progress going on, but there is some progress going on, rest assured. So actually it's very difficult to hold the camera in one hand and paint with the other, and while painting I was moving a lot, so I didn't know that I'm not capturing all my hand movement in the camera. Okay, so I think this is enough for the initial sketch. Okay, so I saved some of your time, and I have already done most of the blocking except the water and the sky. I have blocked in all the greens and browns. So I'm just going to stop the video once again, because I do not have the tripod with me today. I'm using the tripod, the only tripod I have. I'm using it for my Poschade box. So guys, this is the final look. I have added everything that I could. It's not the best, but I loved the experience, and I think I'm going to do it more often. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like to watch these videos, and I promise I will add more of the process in the videos. So bye.